the KO2 doing the mic.
Oh, the Jeep is trying to go up there.
Yep.
Oh, watch. Did that guy move?
Slick, I'm gonna give it one more shot and other people can have some fun.
I think you're getting too much tire slip. You need some lockers almost.
I definitely need a locker. Did someone say lockers?
So close.
Not happening without a locker. I'm gonna back down. We're in a spot now where the front and rear both have to take a step up at the exact same time. Maybe right here if I give it a good bump. Too far back and it's too slick for these KO2s. Alright, under your tires now too. E3W should do a pretty good job though. I don't know if I'm almost driving off the side of the trail.
So he moved.
Yep.
So we could
The side by side up there, or did they leave? I didn't see them go. There's a lookout spot over here to the left too. I'm gonna go ahead and park over there. Not happening. Back up and go left where Bill went. Go up to the optional, the easy side of that. Alright.
I knew it was the Jeep because he was talking about how bad it was. So that guy might come back.
Almost.